Hello, my name is dhairya and I had created a web tech project on hostel booking, and here is the demonstration of my project. First we will start the server. Our server has been started on port 3000. Now we will go to browser and we will type localhost and our port number. We are redirected to our login page. First we will enter username and password. First we will try for the wrong password. When I enter the wrong password, I will be redirected to my login page only. When I enter the right username and password, I will be redirected to my home page. The home page contains the containers and header, uh, title, and some containers of hostels. And at last, there is about us option. There is an also an Instagram and LinkedIn option. When we click on Instagram, we will be redirected to my Instagram page, and when I will click on LinkedIn, we will be redirected to my LinkedIn page. And here are some hostels. When we click on the any of the container, we will be redirected to the hostel page. The hostel page contains the hostel name and photos, a short description, price, facilities, book now option, and address and contact details. When we will go to home, we can choose any hostel we want to review. There are three different areas near UPS: Bidoli, Kandoli, and Dunga. Here is Bidoli. Bidoli contains the six hostels. We can go any of the hostels and see the details, images, and contact numbers and price. And when we go to Kandoli, there are three hostels. We can review any of the hostels by clicking on the container. And in Dunga, there are two hostels. Suppose I am on the Sangam house. I liked this hostel and I want to book this hostel. So in last there is a book now option. When we click on book now option, we will be redirected to our page book your hostel. When we enter our detail like test 223 and we enter the email address, our phone number, and we will choose the hostel which we want to book. We will enter the session for which session you want to book the hostel and in which year you are in. And when we click on book now option, it will redirect it to the home page, and the data entered in the uh, book your hostel page will be stored on mysql database. And we had entered test 223, it has been inserted in the table. Once more, if we will try to enter to book a hostel, like I have selected people tree, I will click on book now. I will enter an random name, email address, phone number, and hostel, like I had selected people tree, session, and year. And when we will again click to book now option, we will be redirected to our home page. And when we see on the database, the data has been inserted in the table. Thank you so much.